Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have something excited to share with you, an unboxing and overview of the professional PC build. We have got something incredible components including the Intel Core i5 13600K processor and the Gigabyte 7 Z790 motherboard. It's a Z series motherboard. I take this for overclocking of the to get more power for the from the processor. Mm, in i5, you guys already know it's built with LGA A1700 socket, and its clock speed up to 5.10 gigahertz. And this powerful processor is ready to deliver outstanding work performance. Gigabyte Z790 UD AX motherboard. I choose this main reason is for its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it's also help us to overclock the processor. And I take just one 1 gigabyte M.2 NVMe SSD for my run to my Linux OS. And I take CORSAIR CV750 PSU 18 plus bronze certified, and it's very good for me. DeepCool, I use deep cooler as a CPU cooler. It's a dual tower, and I use one. You can see I use one casing which is called Entech NX292 mid tower case. It's come with three fan in front, and it's RGB. And here it is the truly assembled work PC with all these incredible components. This rig is ready to conquer any work and handle your computing needs with easy. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing and overview of our ultimate work PC build. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech content. If you have already any question or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment down below. And until next time, happy working.